Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to attach the handbag feet. First, determine where the bottom of the bag is located. I have already fixed the first feet. I will fix the second one on this side. The gap between them is one hole. Take a foot and two pieces of fishing line of approximately this length. Bend the two sides outward. Take one piece of fishing line and put it on both sides. Tie a single knot. Push the line back in and make another knot. Make the knot again. Do the same with the second piece of fishing line, but on the other side. I make the first knot where the tips stick out. Push it in the other direction and make another knot. We have done the most difficult thing. Push all the tips of fishing line into the hole on the inside. Then we fix it. We have two pairs of ends, right and left. You can see the feet sticking out between them. First, secure the left pair. I put the right line into this bead. I push it back in, but not all the way, leaving a loop. I put the left line into this loop. And tighten it. Do the same with the right pair of ends. haven't done one feet, you need to make 4. You might be wondering why I did this on an unfinished bag. Answer: because it's very uncomfortable, but possible. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel where I post various tutorials. Put a like and write if you managed to do it. It's very interesting for me.